Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. So I have two Annie kit clubs to show you, plus I have a Instagram little shop haul I would like to show you. So let's start with Instagram first. I love ordering these button flares because there's so much you can do with them. And I ordered a variety pack. Here is her card. There's a YouTube channel and our Instagram. So that's where I get these beautiful buttons from. And I will show you my Annie's Kit Club. Alright, for my Annie's Kit Club, I got this beautiful yarn, and it looks like we'll be making this Afghan. I think it's so pretty. It's called the Lovely Afghan. Love to Crochet Kit Club. And it's right here. It looks like it is approximately 565 yards of bulky, chunky, acrylic weight, nylon yarn, size 5. But look how pretty this is. And it looks like the stitches will be pretty easy to do. So look at the pretty yarn. So this is very pretty, very soft. Look how beautiful that is. And it's cool machine wash, gentle tumble dry, gentle, low heat, do not bleach, do not iron. 80% acrylic, 20% yards, or 20% nylon, excuse me. 270 yards, 6 ounces. So I got 2 of those to make that beautiful Afghan. So it looks like we got the Hook and Needle Kit Club Stow baskets. So these look fun to make. I like making baskets. And let's take a look at the yarn. So here are the baskets. And they are so pretty. You can use them for anything, your supplies, whatever. And let's see here. These are a super bulky number 6. And it's chunky weight cotton yarn. So we got gold, blue, oat, and rust. So 100% cotton. And these are cool machine wash, gentle, tumble dry, gentle, low heat. And this one is blue. I don't know why that looks like a gray to me. This is oat. And this is the gold. So I can't wait to start making, start making some of these, which I already started. I think I'm gonna get these going so I don't have too much in my stash. So, all right, that's my Annie's Kit. Some crocheted items I have worked on for the month of May. I did a lot of crocheting this month. I haven't worked on any beads or jewelry or any type of paper crafts. Crocheting is my way of coping with some things, and so you'll probably see, I hope that's fine, see more of my projects, you know, in the future. It'll be more crochet, and I'm going to try and add a few other things in there as well. Plus, we're packing, and a lot of my paper crafts are packed right now, and my dies and stamps also. So, yeah, that's what's going on there. Anyways, so let's get started. So in the first video, I showed you my Annie's haul, my Annie's Kit Club haul, and I'm going to show you one of the items I made from that. So when I showed you the club kits, these baskets were part of the pattern, and I followed it mostly. I actually ran out of yarn. They barely gave me enough to finish this, so I have some knots, and I had to really do a lot of maneuvering around, so it didn't turn out 100%. That's okay, they're for me anyway. Or I'll probably give them to my sister. So see, I had to really, I played total yarn chicken on this, so some of it's not as perfect as I like it to be. And yarn chicken is basically just, you know, getting close to running out of yarn, and so you don't add another ball onto it. So I got this one. This one was the large one. This is the medium one. The handles. Pattern was very easy. Just a lot of increasings and stuff like that. It was easy. I haven't tied in my ends, so I'm fine with that right now. And then this is the small one. And this one I couldn't add a lot of rows onto it like it required because, I don't know, I didn't have enough yarn to finish it. So, and I didn't know what else to use. And this is what the baskets look like. So not bad. So that was my first Annie's kit. I'll be working on more later. And I'll show you my next project. Are these squares. And I've made 17 red, white, and blue squares. The blue are the stars, obviously. And this isn't a crochet along hosted by Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I never enter crochet alongs, but I thought I'm going to do it this time. So I will link that video down below in the description box. And I'm working on the blue squares now. I'm working on the blue ones. And let's see here. Yeah. And they'll have a red star in the middle. So there's that. So there's my squares. For the crochet along, it's the Patriotic Afghan. So a lot of these I didn't tie in my ends yet, but I'll link these patterns down below. I still got to sew in my ends, but here is the first one. This was by Repeat Crafter Me, and I really wanted to make a tulip corner to corner pattern, graph can corner thing, and I still gotta tie in my ends, which I will do. And then I made this cute little gift bag. I don't remember where I got the pattern from, but it's just simple. It's just half double crochets, and then the crab stitch on top, which is a reverse single crochet, and then I just made a drawstring. So you just increase by row, and you can open it and close it. And this is made with Red Hearts. I forgot to say, these were Red Heart Super Savers, and the yellow was Mainstay. This Mainstay, this is Red Heart Super Saver. And then I made some washcloths. And it's just a simple corner to corner with double crochet border. And I just wanted to make some simple washcloths. My daughter wanted a huge washcloth, so this one's hers. And then here's this one. Just using up the rest, some of my cotton yarns that I didn't have very much of. And then this one here. And this particular one was Creative Grandma. I can't remember the stitch, but there's the stitch on that. And this was all using, some of it was I'm trying to remember, Dollar Tree cotton from Premier. And then some of this was using Sugars and Cream. And I just used the rest, it doesn't really match, well it kind of does, but I was just using the rest of the particular cotton to get it emptied. And same here. So we got some washcloths I'm going to give to her. I wanted to use up some of the yarns that I didn't have very much of, and this I just made a simple granny square mug rug. No pattern, it's just a granny square using 2 yarns together, and I just put these tassels on the bottom. And this was using the same yarn. It's so that's my mug rug for that. And then I made a smaller mug rug with the same yarn with this, because this was, I love this yarn in pink. And then I used this one here. I did this one in a granny square as well. And it's just a simple granny square with tassels on the side. And I showed you a picture before of these guys here. I also did these. I have some left over. I'm going to send to a few people. So yeah, those are my makes. Not a lot. I'm working on some more projects that will be in the month of June. But these are my projects that I made for the month of May. All right, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend. Please take care and stay safe. As always, bye. Bye.